Essential nutrients your body needs daily. Why daily nutrients matter more than you think. Every single day, your body performs millions of biochemical reactions, repairing cells, producing energy, fighting infections, balancing hormones, and keeping your brain sharp. But here's the catch. Your body can't do any of this without essential nutrients. These nutrients are called essential because your body cannot make them on its own. You must get them from food, daily, or your health slowly declines. Today, we're breaking down the 6 essential nutrient groups, what they do, how they work, and the best ways to get them consistently. Carbohydrates, the body's primary fuel source. What they do. Carbohydrates break down into glucose, which fuels your brain, your muscles, your nervous system, your metabolism. Your brain alone uses 20% of your daily energy, and glucose is its preferred fuel. Types of carbs. Complex carbs, slow energy, fiber-rich, stabilize blood sugar. Simple carbs, quick energy, but can spike blood sugar. Best daily sources. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, fruits, vegetables, beans and lentils. Signs you're not getting enough. Brain fog, fatigue, irritability, cravings, headaches. Protein, the building, repairing, and immune powerhouse. What protein does. Protein is made of amino acids, the building blocks of life. Your body uses protein to build and repair tissues, create hormones, produce enzymes, support immunity, transport nutrients, maintain muscle mass. Complete versus incomplete proteins. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, e.g., eggs, fish, poultry, tofu. Incomplete proteins need to be combined, e.g., rice plus beans. Best daily sources. Eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, tofu, nuts and seeds. Signs of low protein. Weak nails, hair thinning, slow recovery, low immunity, muscle loss. Healthy fats, brain, hormones, and nutrient absorption. Why fats are essential. Healthy fats support brain function, hormone production, cell structure, vitamin absorption, A, D, E, K, inflammation control. Types of fats. Monounsaturated fats, heart healthy. Polyunsaturated fats, includes omega-3 and omega-6. Saturated fats, okay in moderation. Trans fats, avoid. Best daily sources. Avocados, olive oil, salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. Signs of fat deficiency. Dry skin, hormonal imbalance, poor concentration, joint pain. Fat-soluble vitamin deficiencies. Vitamins, the micronutrients with macro impact. Your body needs 13 essential vitamins every day. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K. Stored in the body, but still needed regularly. Support. Vision. Immunity. Bone health. Antioxidant protection. Blood clotting. Water-soluble vitamins, B-complex plus C. Not stored, you must replenish daily. Support. Energy production. Nerve function. Red blood cell formation. Collagen production. Stress response. Best daily sources. Fruits. Vegetables. Whole grains. Nuts and seeds. Dairy or fortified alternatives. Signs of vitamin deficiency. Fatigue. Weak immunity. Poor skin health. Mood changes. Slow wound healing. Minerals, the body's chemical regulators. Minerals are involved in nearly every bodily function. Key minerals you need daily. Calcium, bones, teeth, muscle contraction. Iron, oxygen transport. Magnesium, nerve function, blood sugar regulation. Potassium, heart rhythm, hydration. Zinc, immunity, wound healing. Selenium, antioxidant defense. Best daily sources. Leafy greens. Nuts and seeds. Whole grains. Fish. Beans. dairy or fortified alternatives. Signs of mineral deficiency: muscle cramps, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, weak immunity, brittle nails or hair. Water, the most overlooked essential nutrient. Why water is essential? Water supports digestion, detoxification, circulation, temperature regulation, nutrient transport, joint lubrication. Even mild dehydration affects mood, focus, and energy. Daily intake goal: most adults need 9 to 12 cups per day, depending on activity and climate. Signs of dehydration: headaches, dry mouth, fatigue, dark urine, dizziness. How to get all essential nutrients daily. Simple framework. 1. Build balanced plates. Use the 50-25-25 rule. 50% vegetables, 25% protein, 25% whole grains or starchy veg. 2. Eat the rainbow. Different colors equals different nutrients. 3. Include healthy fats in every meal. Helps with vitamin absorption. 4. Hydrate consistently. Sip throughout the day, not all at once. 5. Prioritize whole foods. Minimize ultra-processed foods. Your body is a biochemical machine, and essential nutrients are the fuel that keeps it running. When you give your body what it needs daily, you feel the difference. More energy, better focus, stronger immunity, healthier skin, improved mood, better long-term health. Small daily habits create massive, long-term results.